Familiarize yourself with the 2016 GMC SIERRA 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a front bench seat, and much more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.